Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you're all well. This is my finished soft pastel portrait drawing. Um, and you can see all the materials which I've used for this portrait. Coming back to the paper which I have used is clairfontaine pastel paper. It is 250 grams per meter square or 115 pounds. It comes in various colors. The colors are skin tone, black, white, gray, uh, greenish gray. So you can choose any color that suits your portrait or landscape, whatever you want to do. Now coming to the pencils which I have used for this portrait drawing, I've used two varieties of pencil. One is the Faber Castell Pitt Pastel pencils. The other one is a Chinese variety which is giorgione pencil, which is good enough, but it's much cheaper than the Faber-Castell pencils, which are dear. I've also used the Rembrandt soft pastel sticks, which are very soft and give a nice and vibrant colors. So for blending and highlighting things or removing dark colors to some extent, I've used the stump. This is made of paper, and you can see that. And in this part, there is also another thing for blending. It is soft and made of a foam, somewhat foam, so it is softer. It's very nice for blending the portraits. The other thing is this round um, plastic, round, what you call, sponge oval shape with a point to do what you call blending and highlighting things. It is very useful and it's very handy to use. Well, soft pastel is a very good medium for doing portraits. It has very vibrant colors and everything seems to come out and looks very bright, and there are loads of colors available. And the two disadvantage I find is, number one, the pencils, and they are very soft, and when you sharpen them or use what you call the blade, I use this. I use this blade to sharpen the pencils. But if you use a sharpener, then there's a lot of breakage of the nib. So that is one disadvantage. The advantage of this pencil is that you can do delicate work and precision work with this. The Rembrandt sticks, obviously, you cannot do that much of a delicate work. You can, but with the pencils, you have the added advantage. Um, the other disadvantage is the fine dust from these soft pastels, and they fly all over, so you have to be very careful with it. When you start your pastel portrait, then initially you lay the base layer. It can be, usually skin tones or other colors which you use. It doesn't matter that it has to match completely with the what you call the reference photo or the image. You fill in the spaces. Initially, it might look, it might not look that nice, but you should keep watching, because gradually, after the base layer, you do the fine detail work, and everything will come into place, and you'll see a very beautiful portrait evolving after a few minutes. So when you're watching my portrait, please watch it till the end, so that you can see the actual portrait.